This video will talk about the new features introduced into Miliastra Wonderland and Lunar 7 version. Since the documents have now been updated at Crafts Academy of hoyolab, so I translate them from Chinese and post them at hoyolab. Besides, I have also used DeepSeek to summarize the new documents into images. It includes custom minimap, test image input box, status display area, notification queue. The image contains the features and purpose of this new UI control group and guide you how to manage it and editor properties and related server node. It includes a workflow to help you quick handle the basic custom minimap. The next part of this video, let me go into Sandbox to do this workflow. So the first one is open minimap panel. This is going to the UI control group management and find the minimap and go into the edit map panel. The next step is create custom map. You can see there is a plus sign here. You can click here to create a new one. I've created one, so I use the existing one for this tutorial. The first step is upload image. You can see there is a map image settings here. You can click here and upload image and confirm to use your uploaded one. The fourth is config origin and direction point, which means here is a origin arrow and this is a direction arrow. It means there is a preset point at your scene, and this arrow you can set it the scene's preset point. It locates which pixel at your image, and the direction point is also you need to create a new preset point and put it at the correct pixel at your image. The next step is set scale ratio. Scale ratio means the scene distance per 10 pixels. You can calculate then with the two location XYZ at the preset points. And then the pixels different. The pixels you can see there is 47 at the image. The next step is configure zoom. Configure zoom is the preview. You can see when I set it to 5, the blue arrow and it's the top one. The top is the difference of 60.8 meters. If I change it to 10, this is 8.4 meters, the half of the 5 ratio. For more details, you need to check the documentation for more information. This is custom minimap. You can switch via server node at runtime. The next part is test image input box. The property of it is font size, line spacing, and position of the image. This is a custom UI control. You can change to style tab, and you can configure the font size, line spacing, and also you can insert image. You can static reference the logo you want to display, and will show at the text box. You can change the location. If I change it from 1 to -2, it will go left. Also y, it will go up. This test image input box. The next one is status display area. You can see the image about its properties, and also it gives you 3 steps to display status items. The first one is determine monitor entity. The monitor status is entity is used to determine which entities the UI control group will monitor. It must be set to monitor. We can see the functions here. We can see there is a status item configuration and the variable monitor entity variable. This demo, I set it to the player's character's entity. If you don't set this variable, the status display area will not work. And the next step is associate and link to a unique status. You can edit details and link unique status, and this you can define a status and link to it. The third part is add control push effect, which means you need to add status display area in the unique status config. Let's go into the new status config. You can change to effect details. You can see special functions have a add status to status display area effect. You need to set it to the corresponding index. So after that, this will work. But how to display it? You can see style. So to edit details, you can see the image. You can add image or some other asset template. You can change the logo you want to display. The next part is notification queue. The notification queue, at first you need to define a new structure at advanced data management, and you can create a notification structure. It contains 2 strings. And then to send a notification here, you need to configure a style, and it contains text box of 2 strings. But the strings is the formal variable you can only use, so you need to combine the formal variable. So the first one define the 2 strings as formal variable, and then create a new notification item and configure 2 formal variables to the structures fields, which contain means tr1 and tr2. This is how to display text, and also the styles contains the size. You can make it more wide or make it more high. And the function you can set the notification item size and paddings. This is the configuration. So how to send a notification? Let's go into the node graph. The node graph will do, in this node graph, I have set custom variable, which means the status display area to set to my character entity. And also, I have start timer of notification after 8 seconds to trigger. When the timer is triggered, it will refresh notification queue. It will assemble a structure of tier 1 CLI and the tier 2 CLI execute as a notification structure. And the notification queue will show this structures 2 strings at the notification queue UI control. And this unit status is you can see at the characters component. You can add a unit status component and make a their status on it. And this node is used to make it be monitored. So let me test play. You can see the display area have a status. And also after about 8 seconds, the click is so cute is also appear as a notification item. And this is the test input test image input box. And this is the minimap. Okay, and this is the new dynamic unit water introduced in this version. So this is a brief introduction of the features. If this help you, please click a please. Because my English is not very good, so for more information, you can go to the hoyolab, also this website to get more details. Thanks for your watching.